You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can increase the number of litters per delivery. In other words, how the babies will increase if your rabbit is put into bed at least 10 baby rabbits. So stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. Before we begin, please do subscribe, click on that notification bell. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Number one is the lineage. If your mother gave birth to twins, you know that one of your sisters or almost all of your sisters will possibly give birth to twins. So it's in the blood, it's in the lineage. When you want to buy your rabbit for breeding, you have to ask if the parent of that rabbit you're buying gave birth to at least 10, 14, 12, so to say. So you need to ask to know. And then when you buy from that kind of parent, when you buy from that kind of mother, you are sure of in due season your rabbit will also give you enough litters like that, maybe from 10 up to 18. There are rabbits that give birth to 18. So if you have a rabbit that can give birth to 18, you know you will grow like wildfire. Number two factor that you need to consider is feeding of that rabbit. You don't just feed your rabbit anyhow and expect large litter. No, you must feed the rabbit the required protein. You must give that rabbit the required protein, the required carbohydrate, the required everything. Must give a balanced diet, because the rabbit may take in up to 12, 15 in the womb, and then due to malnutrition, it will lead to death of some of the baby rabbits in the belly, and then the body will absorb it and use it as nutrient in the body, and then maybe only 5 or 6 will survive. So if you feed your rabbit, your pregnant rabbit, properly, or before pregnancy, before you sell, you need to give the rabbit balanced diet. This will go a long way to prepare the system to give the required energy, the hormonal balance, and everything in the body of that rabbit to be ready to conceive, to take in large number. Number three is the mating system, the way you breed. Now, you don't just introduce the male and after maybe one time mating you remove. You know that one thing about rabbit is that when the rabbit mates, that is when it triggers the rabbit to release eggs. So if the rabbit maybe mates 3 times, it will trigger the release of eggs 3 times, 2 times. So it's good for you to allow the male to be with the female for at least 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. It will help to fertilize more egg, and as such, you have more of the litter. So this is one beautiful secret that you can easily apply and have good results. The next strategy I want to share with you is that if the mother rabbit just start putting to birth the first time of conception or the first time of delivery, it may be just 5. That is natural. Maybe 5, maybe 3, maybe 2, maybe 6. So if the first time, maybe even 7, that is a sign that that mother will be a good mother. If it is up to 6 or 7. Now, that first time, you don't expect that rabbit to just give you 12 liters or 17 liters, 14 liters, 15 liters. No, it will not happen like that. So you should choose the mother rabbit that is between 1 year and 2 years and a half. That way, that period is very good for the rabbit, because when the rabbit is also getting too old, the number of litter will reduce. So this is the best range. Do not expect much for the first time, the second time, but the third time, it should give you a very good result. Now, before we continue, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Don't forget to like this video, recommend this channel to your friends. The next strategy I want to share with you is something that, I know that most rabbit breeders might have taught you that once the rabbit put to bed, you can introduce the male and serve, and then the rabbit conceive. It's true, but it will not give you the good result you need. It will not give you a better result, outstanding result. So the best thing to do is to always give space, at least 35 days. That is the best. 35 days space for the rabbit to rest, regain, recover. Another key thing that you need to consider in order to get a large litter is using a healthy mother and a healthy male. Both parents should be healthy and strong. Use the healthy ones, because sick like human beings. If the woman is sick, there's possibility that miscarriage will occur. That is how it happens to rabbits also. So you should use healthy rabbits to breed. It will give you superb result. So don't just pick any mother and then breed. No, choose, separate those ones that are for breeding, separate them, feed them very well, make sure they are healthy so as to get better result. Another factor that actually determine the number of litter is the breed, the type of rabbit you're using. If you use a dwarf type, a small one, there's possibility that they will always give you 5 rabbits, 4 rabbits, 10. If it is 10, oh, thank God. But if you use a very good breed that grow very big and strong, you will have a better result. So I recommend you use New Zealand white. You can also use the Flemish giant. You can also use the giant Angora. These are very good breeds that can give you better result. So don't just buy rabbits in the market and expect superb result, expect large litters. No, you must select your breed. You must be careful to get the best. Spend money to get the best breed. In summary, you need to get a better breed, feed the rabbit very well, let the rabbit be healthy, let them meet not less than 3 times, and then when they deliver, don't just introduce the male again, give gap for the system to be set again for the next breeding. I tell you, I assure you that you are going to have superb result. You are going to have a larger litter than expected. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on that notification bell. We have a lot of rabbit videos. Check those videos and have more insight on rabbit farming. See you in our next video. Keep making profit.